Class, welcome to Marketing 250. My name is Brother Luke. I will be your instructor this semester. I've taught this course for about 7 years, and I look forward to the start of every semester. I don't know that there is a more unique and creatively challenging course in the BYU Idaho curriculum. It is so exciting to watch real businesses start from the ground up, from the idea process to the business launch, to the end of the semester where we do a summary of what you've learned and what your business is. So I am excited to welcome you. This video will just go through the course syllabus. I'll post a separate video on week 1 expectations, and then I'll post a video every week that previews the coming assignments and just walks you through what the expectations are for the week. I'm not going to read you the syllabus on here. You can do that for yourself, but I will emphasize a few key points on here that I want to draw your attention to. Note that a textbook is not required for the class. The nature of an online business is dynamic, and so we have links throughout the course and to teach you how to do each step versus a textbook. However, you will still spend what is approximately the cost of a textbook because you will need to host a website and purchase a domain name. That'll be about $40. That cost fluctuates depending on which product you use. And then we will also do an AdWords campaign that's about $50. So make sure those funds are still set aside even though we're not purchasing a textbook for the course. If I jump down here to the course structure, you can see the topics that we'll study. More than likely, you'll look through this list and say, wow, I haven't done 1 or 2 or 4 or 5 of these. You may have some experience in a couple of them. You'll notice it's a very broad a broad course offering. We do some web design, we do business idea generation, we talk about business law, we do a lot of marketing. So we're pulling from a lot of different skill sets here, as you would if you were an online business owner. I point this out to say, if you're looking at these things and thinking, wow, I have no idea what X, Y, or Z is, don't be concerned. The design of the course is to take you from little to no knowledge on any of these subjects to the level of a functioning business owner. And so if you do have some experience in these topics, that's great. That's to your advantage. But if you don't have experience in these, don't be concerned, because it is the purpose of the course to take you from that beginner's level. And that's where we start each of these topics. There is a rhythm to the course that you'll get accustomed to, and that is, as I mentioned, you'll have my announcement, really a video that walks you through the week, and then you will have what we call a prepare activity. That's really your first assignment, your first subject, and then a discussion board post will be due on that. Then through the middle of the week, you'll need to respond to 2 classmates at least on that first discussion board. Then you'll jump into your second topic with an assignment, and then similar discussion board post will be due by the end of the week. You'll need to respond to your classmates on that second discussion board and post a weekly reflection. So it's really these 7 items that you'll really get used to in the rhythm of the course. Those are your deliverables if you look at this first prepare activity down to the weekly reflection. There are only a couple exceptions to that. Week 8 through the middle of the semester gives you a little break from this with only 1 topic, and then week 14 is a little different. Scattered throughout are these project due dates. These assignments will teach you the material and will teach you how to design and launch your business. And then you'll jump into the projects here, is where you will actually create the business. So these activities teach you the content. These projects are where you'll actually create your business. Note the point distribution here. projects are heavily weighted because that will be your business that you create, and then your assignments are at 30%. I point this out because discussion boards are at 23%. It's good to make sure that you're on top of the requirements for your discussion boards. It's a simple way to get a good quarter of the points available in the class. Note that no late work is accepted. More than a week after the due date. Assignments that are later marked down 1.2% per hour past the deadline. If there's a medical or family emergency, please reach out and let me know. I invite you to take a look at the course summary. You can see in a little bit more detail what's coming, and that way you get a good idea for what will be asked of you in the course. But that will be it for our syllabus. Please reach out if there are specific questions. And again, I will post a separate video that goes over expectations for week 1 assignments. Thanks everyone, and welcome to the course.